What's up, everybody? We got a lazy Sunday here. Me and the boys are gonna go over and tinker with some stuff around the farm.
Yeah, and clean the barn.
Yep. What else are we gonna do, Cal?
Pressure washer. Do a pressure washer.
Yep, and then build a shelf. Yep. Our mechanic's gonna come over and do an inspection, pre-harvest inspection on our combine, so we gotta go over there and get her cleaned up. The old bird's been pooping on it and stuff, so gotta get her cleaned up and looking good. All right, let's go get her done. So I've done quite a few videos, just haven't had time to edit it. We didn't have internet either at our new house till just last week, so hopefully we'll start making some more videos here. But I'll throw some random footage in here from the last couple that I filmed. We ended up going to the zoo, which was pretty fun, and I've done all the spraying for the weeds on the beans, the post planting spraying, so got some footage from that too. The crops are really starting to look pretty good. I'll show you here a little bit. We'll stop and do a little scouting towards the end of this video too. So here's some footage that we shot previously. Where are we going?
I'm to the zoo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah. And the TV house.
Yeah, in the camera?
Yeah.
What are we gonna see at the zoo?
Animals.
What kind of animals?
No.
You don't know?
No.
We'll find out. Let's go!
Okay. Okay.
Doing the happy dance. Oh, it's a whole bunch of them.
Look at, he's taking a bath.
What's I'm doing in there?
He's cleaning himself in the water.
Aren't they bright pink, Crooster? Aren't they pretty?
Yeah, and like him, got him face red.
Look at, he's giving himself a bath.
That's him face.
With his head. Yeah? They don't have any arms, baby, so they gotta use their mouth.
Look at the one sleeping over there. He's just like a little ball
I know.
of pink.
I told him, pink is my favorite. So the pink go eat them.
Yeah? Can you throw some in? Here. Oh, good job. Those are big fishes. Throw it real hard.
Throw it, Crooster.
Throw them in. Good job.
Oh, he got it.
Can you see the fish, buddy?
No.
Here, bud. Alright, throw a piece in there. Oh!
Ow!
Dang, look at all the fishies. They're hungry fishies.
Take just a little. No. Just take a couple.
Here, Crooster, take a couple.
Take a couple and throw them in. Hold on, like Crooster. Let me throw some further out there. Oh my gosh, look at them all. No.
There's a whole lot of fishies.
That's way too much. Good job, buddy.
Donkey. Say hi, Donkey.
What's he eating there? You want poop?
Eating some poop.
Maybe don't let it lick you.
Hey, Donkey. What's up, buddy?
You guys can touch him.
Yep, you can touch him.
And you guys can go in.
Look at this guy, girl.
Oh.
Look at this donkey.
You guys can go in.
He's in there with the cow.
You guys can go in.
Donkey's in the
No, we can't
cow.
go in there.
Say, come here.
Come here.
Here, donkey.
Here comes the little donkey. Why are you not coming? Why come not coming?
He's interested in eating food.
Hey, buddy.
Hi,
You
buddy.
tired of getting petted?
Hi. Let me show you how to do it. Okay?
Cal, go look. Mommy's got food for him.
Hold your hand straight out, okay? Hold your hand out like this. Oh, he sucks it right out.
Good job, Cal.
Hold on, buddy. Oh, gosh.
Oh, no.
Here, Kellen. Here, Kellen. No, don't.
Give it to him, Cal. Pick that one up you dropped and give it to this guy. Right there.
One more. Right here, girl. Right here. Give him.
Oh, nobody.
Here comes another one. Go ahead.
Whoa.
I don't have any more. They're all gone, buddy.
Come here, Cal. Hey, buddy.
That was those like babies.
It's like you don't have food.
Hey, I don't have anything for you, but I will pet you.
You're pretty.
You are very pretty.
Tell him again, Christopher. Tell him. Yeah, they're eating their hay.
Let's go over here, buddy. The toddler and the newborn? Yeah. Put your hand out. Put your hand out. They are very polite and will lick it nicely. They are very polite.
Put
your hand out.
What you do, Mommy? You can't do me.
Oopsies.
Nope. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
I just want your food.
How dare you?
Can I pet you, buddy? Come on. You guys have fun?
Did you have fun at the zoo?
What was your favorite part? It was not. You didn't even like it, buddy. What about the goats? They're pretty cool.
Did you have fun feeding the goats? And the alpacas? What?
Those are pretty cool. What about the lion?
Yeah.
The lion was cool.
I think the lion might have been Kellen's favorite part.
Yeah. Want to come back sometime?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Good brother.
Kellen, you want to say bye to the video?
Yeah, bye. Bye.
What's up, everybody? Today is bean spraying day. So, gotta get her rolling. It's been raining for like the last week straight. We got close to 6 inches altogether, but it's been 2 days and we're already pretty dry again. Yeah, it didn't take very long to dry up. We were super dry before we got the rain. So, getting the old skid steer. Gotta take it back over to the farm so we can load up some, well, we gotta move out all our spraying stuff. I got it all put it away. So update on the lawn, it's looking pretty nice. Yeah, we're gonna head over there. There we go. Alright, got our system all set up. We had all this stuff on this trailer. Well, that's what we sit on for the 4th of July, so we took everything off so we can go put that up by the parade. I'll probably do that this afternoon after we spray for a while, but for now I just set everything up just on the ground here. Got our water running from the hose that goes into our tanks. One for each tank that's inside of there. And then the water comes out and goes into our pump. And the pump into our inductor. Inductor is where we put all our chemicals in. And then it comes out this hose and goes into our sprayer. So that's our setup. These are our chemicals here. Got AMS. We got Interline, which is generic Liberty for spraying beans. Got a Taurus, which is a biological, help beans with stress and just give them a boost. And I don't know if I'm saying this right, but Colethodim, it's for volunteer corn and grass. Liberty doesn't do a great job on grasses. It's more a broadleaf spray, so that'll help knock out grasses. But yeah, that's what we're spraying. And get the sprayer out and load up a load. Alright, we're all loaded up. Ready to do this backfield. It's about 60 acres, so we're gonna go hit it. Alright, we got the first field done. It was kind of a pain. I hit the end of the boom on one of these irrigation stops and broken hosel body, so that was fun. I probably sprayed a little bit too much right there because I tried to stop real quick and didn't get the boom shut off, and luckily it happened like on the hill right in front of my bedroom window, so if those beans die, I get to look at them every day, so that'll be cool. But first 60 acres is done. I'm gonna load back up and keep rolling. We got about 150 more to go. Try and knock it out today, hopefully. It's already 11, 12 o'clock, but we'll see. We'll probably get her done. Well, we got 3 fields done, around 100, 110 acres, so I think that's about it for today. It's getting pretty windy, so I don't want to do anything and have some drift across onto something we don't want it to, so we're going to call her quits today, but tomorrow's the 4th, so everyone have a good 4th, and probably hit it back again Monday, and got about 112 acres to go, so about halfway through the beans. Almost done. Alrighty, have a good one. See you guys later. Oh. Grandma's back.
Oh, I see you got a lot of dirt on your face, too.
Now, Daddy put it away, combine.
Daddy already put it away and he washed it all up.
Grandma.
Grandma's over letting Corey's dogs out.
Oh.
I think Grandpa needs to... Grandpa.
And Corey's house just right by here.
Yeah, I know it. Daddy needs to take that pressure washer and wash you off.
No.
No.
Because you gotta take a bath.
Oh, you're gonna go home and take a bath?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are we gonna do before we go home and take a bath?
With fancy dogs out.
No,
So-
we haven't letting the dogs out. What are we gonna do?
Don't know.
We're building a shelf.
Yeah. But then the guys gotta consider real dogs out.
No.
Yeah.
You gonna build a shelf in the shop?
My guy's gonna look.
He's off. Alright, got our shelf put together. I didn't film it, that'd be pretty boring. But we got her all thrown together. Got a filter area. Got our WD-40 and PV blaster. Cleaning stuff. Some random tools. I want to go through this and organize it better and label everything for like what type of filter it is, fuel filter, air filter, whatever, oil filter. And then for what piece of equipment it's for too. Like the combine, which tractor, that type of stuff. So we can look at we got all this stuff off of here. That's looking nice. Got our light hung so we can see what's going down now. Got a pretty cool little area there now. We're working on stuff. I love doing those type of projects. I love organizing stuff. The boys were big helping too. They were the boom boomers.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Standing.
Nothing. Rooster! Alright, you want to say bye? Because we're all done today. We're going home.
Bye.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
Toodaloo!
Bye.
See you guys next time. You want to end it out? Put the hand over it. Oh, right over here. Go.